Hello student, today we are discussing database management system. So let's start our section. Today we are discuss this concept. First is traditional and DBMS environment. Second is three-tier architecture. And fourth is data abstraction. So let's move the first concept is traditional and DBMS environment. So, in traditional environment, it is a manage and control the data files in computer system. In DBMS environment, it provides the systematic way to access, update, and delete the data. Second difference is in traditional environment, it does not support multi-user access. In DBMS environment, it supports multi-user access. Third is the third traditional environment, the low data consistency. In DBMS environment, high data consistency. In traditional environment, it is not secured. DBMS environment, it is a secured. Traditional environment, data redundancy is high. In DBMS environment, data redundancy is low. In traditional environment, no data backups are recovery process. In traditional environment, there is a backup recovery for data. Then, traditional environment handling is easy. DBMS environment handling is complex. In traditional environment are low cost. DBMS environment is high cost. The last difference is traditional environment. If one application fail, it does not affect the other application. In DBMS environment, if one application is fail, all application will be affected. These are the difference between traditional environment and DBMS environment. It is three-tier architecture. This is the diagram or three-tier architecture. Three-tier architecture are internet-based architecture. These architecture are used for web application. Web application means website application. Then show this diagram. In this diagram, first they show client. Client means it is a computer. There are many users are working this computer. And last is database server. In the database server, DBMS software are present. In the three level architecture, one computer are also present. That is a middle of client and database server. In this computer, middle computer are work as a web server. In this computer, application server are also present. Why this is called application server? Because they work as a web server. In this application server, all business logics are present. All codings are present in application server. In this application server, all business logics are present. That is coding. Coding is also present in application server. And what is meant by business logic? Business logic means validation, calculation, and manipulation of data. These three-tier architecture are divided in three levels. First level is external level, that is called view level. And middle level is conceptual level, that is mean logical level. And last is internal level. So this is our three-tier architecture. Then next is data abstraction. What is meant by data abstraction? First हम देखेंगे definition. The process of hiding a certain details of database from user is called a data abstraction. What is the use of data abstraction in database management system? uh, Data abstraction are they are hide those data. Those datas are not important for user. डेटा abstraction क्या करता है? जो डेटा यूजर को इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है वो डेटा यूजर से हाइड करने का काम डेटा abstraction का होता है. The major purpose of data abstraction is they provide only much data which are required. Abstraction का major purpose क्या है? वो वही डेटा यूजर को प्रोवाइड करता है जो यूजर के काम का होता है. There are 3 level of data abstraction. First is view level, second is logical level, and third is physical level. In the view levels are user are show this view level. In the logical level show the relationships, and physical level are describe the how the data are stored. One by one I explain this all level. Physical level are described how the data are stored. In this level, this is the lowest level of abstraction. It is describe the database structure in detail. फिजिकल लेवल में डाटाबेस स्ट्रक्चर को डिटेल में डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है. Then second is logical level. In this level are show what data are stored, and this is the next highest level of data abstraction. This is show in the relationships of data, and it is the data administration level. Then first is view level. It is describe the part of database for particular group of user. It is the highest level. Can many different views of database. किसी को कुछ चीज खरीदनी हो तो वो प्रोडक्शन का ही व्यू लेवल देख सकता है. अब अकाउंट सेक्शन का सिर्फ अकाउंटेंट ही वो व्यू अपना देख सकता है. इस तरह से ये व्यू लेवल होता है. इस तरह से डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन लेवल काम करता है अपने डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम में. So today's sections are complete. Thank you.